guys, it's Jakes. And Paris is here. Forget about her. Today I decided to do a huge difference in my channel. Normally I just do some Roblox videos and say stuff like Paris is going to shout at stuff. But today I decided to do something different. Way different. Today I am done as a channel, but I will keep the latest videos as the last video because I won't delete those videos because they'll get views. So I'm doing this again. Paris is now Paris, and I now say hey guys, it's Jade at the start of the channel. Make sure to follow my alt account, Jade Gaming Roblox, and also my original account, Unicorn Morning 51. Hey, what are you doing today? What's up? Today I am back in Blackbird. You saw from the latest videos that I published. Was in Blackbird for a bit. You know the reasons why, but yeah, I kind of want to change my channel. I kind of want to change it, so I'm just changing it. Now, let's say chat to get Paris' attention. Today Paris is on my account, so I just have to get your attention. Paris! Okay, let's say Paris. Paris. Paris! Okay, I said Paris to look for her. She's using my account. She's normally WFF Club, but she is on my position, and I'm on my alt. And on my alt, I am broke. Yeah, I know, I'm broke. But, yeah, listen, seriously, why does this have to be a thing in Blackbird? Because people just... Tell you what, let's just go. Let's just leave this thing. Yeah. Oh, and guys, I forgot to mention my face cam. That will now be at... My face reveal will now be at 1K subs. Thanks! I know that'll be a long way, but I'm just doing it. Okay? Just doing it. So I'm not gonna be one of those YouTubers that's gonna beg for you to subscribe. I'm a nice YouTuber that won't beg for you to subscribe. So just be free, guys. Don't listen to anyone else. Be free. Okay, now that we know that, I'm gonna check in chat. I think I need to respond for Paris. I'm just gonna say unicorn. Unicorn. AKA Paris. AKA the Paris of the show. You're called out, I'll say. Okay, so basically today's video, we're just gonna, me Paris, obviously gonna be playing with Bloxburg. Sorry, I haven't uploaded in a while. I was just have a break. Where is the sad break? I didn't even know go on Roblox. But now I'm back on my all as well. Oh, and if you guys wonder how I got this hair on Bloxburg and this, it's because of I typed in an ID code for it. You know, on Roblox, the hair is. So I just typed in an ID code for it, really. So that's if you guys wanna know how I got it. So make sure. So yeah. My two accounts, Jitkin Roblox, but the Roblox has got two X's at the end, and yes, my uni has left. Okay, so I'm just gonna check if she's back on. Okay, so this is her original account, the BFF Club, aka the Paris. She's got 26 followers. Great, yay. And let's see how much I have got. There are 42 followers I have. Well, let's see how many my old accounts got. Now, big shout out to a Roblox player called Lullaby. She's actually the other stars of the show. She is amazing. I can't see her followers. I'll show you guys her. And make sure to go follow her if you want as well. She is also the star of the show. She is the star of the second show. Secondary show. Okay, so all these followers I have Lullaby. She has a YouTube channel as well. Make sure to shout out to her. Make sure to join this Lullaby group. And make sure to check out the Dragonite High School fans. They're the fans of our games and the YouTube channel. Okay, so don't ask, but this is Unicorn Morning 52. That's my signal. Yes. Okay, let's go to followers. So I remember I played this on Xbox One. So it has Paris's old account on it. So cute. Anyways, yes, I have changed. I am not a YouTuber that day. For subscribers and more, I am a nice, peaceful YouTuber. And before that, I want to show you guys something. And I'll show you. And I will show you this. So basically, I'm gonna go on YouTube chat. Make sure to go check out my latest video, Drawing Millie Mayhem 1 Part 2. It has some amazing features as my drawing skills part number 2. I have all my drawing kind of skills in this thing, and I have my two latest chords, the finishing touch, and the finish of this thing is actually right here. It has everything. Now, this is the finishing of it. The part 1 of it is also on here. The part 1 is also kind of like this, but it is more thing. There is no clothes on number 1 for the girl, and there's no voice chat in it, so I can voice in it, but there's no clothing on her yet on that one, but there will soon. Bye! Okay, and we type in, what do we type in? Yeah, so basically, if you wonder how I get these voices stuff, I go to Google, I type in, English truth, list. And then a random thing should come up. So I go on the French, and then I go down and find English, and I will swap. So go in the French. Yeah, so go in the French section and type in hello, my fellow fans. Paris is yum. Okay, now I click this button and I will play. Do it again. Okay, so you guys all hear that. Yeah, now I'm finding. So it looks like Paris is on Bloxburg, but she joined another server. Yeah, she did. Yeah, let's join her. So yeah, this review at 1K subs, guys. All mean the world to me. I'll never quit. Such a so good. Anyways, as well as that, as you can see, my Roblox icon, doesn't it look like a tiny bit like? Can't move it, sorry. I'll get back to you guys when I get it done. So guys, I finally showed you guys this Roblox button. Yeah. It kind of, I haven't changed the icon for it yet, but I will soon. If I get up Roblox. Oh. Yeah. Roblox player. Actually brings me to the good Roblox. Really cool. Yeah, cool. But anyways, about that. So, about that, I'll get back to guys when I got Paris. Yeah? Okay, so guys, I got her, but I haven't found her. She's in the server. I'll just say the Paris of the show. The Paris of the show! The show. The Paris of the show. Yeah, I'll just say shoe instead. The Paris of the shoe. Hello. Hello, Paris. Hello, Paris. Hello, Paris. How are you today? Macaboo. 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 She's saying all hello. Hello, Paris. Hello, Paris. Hello, Paris. She's probably not used to taking her like, because that's just my own. That's just my own. Yeah. So she's probably not used to it. Yeah. I have some songs in here. Can I perms? Here I have a roommate, please. Stars for caps. Okay, so I'll get back to what she says yes with the after song. Bye. Anyway, guys, I ended up babysitting Paris' child in this game. Anyways, sorry for no outro music today. Bye, guys. Hey, who's at the door? Who is this? Hi. Hi. Can I see the baby?